Hello, YouTubers and e-bikers. Welcome back to the channel. Look what we have. It's a Troxus Mobility Lynx e-bike, and it's all mine. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do a walk around the box to check for any damage. They often get torn up a little. These bikes come from China, but then they go usually ground from California, and we're on the East Coast, so it made many stops along the way. So front looks okay. There's a little tear in the back near the rack. Side looks good. The back, there's a small hole. I believe that's probably where the front tire is zip tied in place. Let's just zoom in here. They put plastic protectors on the hubs of the wheel, so it should be okay. Over to the side, and that looks great. Okay, let's open it up. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull the staples out with a pair of pliers. These staples just get in the way. You can scratch yourself or you can scratch the bike pulling it out. So we'll just pull them out. Okay, there's all the staples. Let's work on the straps. I'm just going to use a set of diagonal cutters. One strap. There we go. The straps are actually pretty strong. Two straps and three. Now these boxes are often glued down in addition to the straps and the staples, but lo and behold, this one is not, which is fine. I thought it was double box. It's just a really sturdy box. You can see the styrofoam block close to us has two boxes in it, which is nice. Typically, these boxes are just strapped or end up at the bottom of the box, but it's in there pretty good. And the far piece of styrofoam for packing. And here's a peek inside the box. Looks pretty clean. Everything looks intact. There's the nice black rack, and you can see the red color. We got the wooden slats on the rack. There's the seat, the front fender, and the handlebars are tucked in underneath there. Okay, I went and got some help to get the bike out of the box. It's best to get two people and lift the bike straight out of the box. So let's get started taking everything apart and all the packaging off. The front tire has plastic protectors on either side. That's nice. Saves that little acorn nut from getting damaged. You can see here there's also a plastic cover over the rear derailleur. I'll leave that on for now, and we'll take that off right before we're ready to ride it for the first time. Now we're just pulling off the protective wrapping, the masking tape, and cutting zip ties. Be very, very careful cutting the zip ties. I've seen experienced e-bikers accidentally cut a cable instead of a zip tie. So depending on what you cut accidentally, you could be in a world of hurt. So just take your time. I'm going to leave the protective wrapping on the handlebars and the front light for now, just because they're dangling around and we don't want to get them damaged or scratched up in the meantime. So that's pretty much it. It looks pretty good. You can see it looks red in the shade, and where the bright sun is hitting it, it almost looks a little orange, but it's definitely a bright red. Take the cover off the seat. It's a nice padded seat. A little more wrapping, and we're almost done. Let's open the two boxes and see what's inside them. I believe this first box is the charger. And yes, it is. It's a charger. It is a 3-amp charger. And whatever you do, only use it with this e-bike. Don't use it on other e-bikes. They may require less or more amperage and a different voltage. Okay, let's see what's in the second box. Here we go. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Bike grease. Pedals left and right. Make sure you use the left on the left and the right on the right. The left side is reverse threaded. 2 wrenches, which is nice to see. Sometimes they just give you like a multi-tool, but and here's the multi-tool. It's actually branded with Troxus Mobility. Those are always nice to have. And the instruction manual. We'll read this later. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, I almost forgot. Here's the front fender. Both fenders are aluminum. They're black, and they are branded with Troxus and has the Troxus Mobility logo on it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos of the Troxus Mobility Lynx. We'll be assembling it in the next video and riding it around, and hopefully this summer we'll be all over New England.